Hello students. Today we are going to start with the second lesson, which is teeth and microbes, and we are going to deal with introductory part of the lesson. To start with, I would like to ask you, have you seen people taking selfies? People smile when they take selfies or when they come in front of the camera. Click photos look good if the smile is like this. But what if smile is like this? So this is the first thing that we are going to learn today, importance of teeth. Clean and well kept teeth make our smile beautiful, isn't it? It is real. If the teeth are fallen, the smile doesn't look that good. So it is better to have a clean and healthy teeth. They give proper shape to our face. For example, when person grows old, his teeth fall out and then his face suddenly changes. So teeth gives a shape to our face. Teeth help us to speak clearly because if we don't have teeth, we cannot speak clearly. They enable us to bite and chew food, which makes digestion easy because if we don't have tooth, we will not be able to bite and chew food properly, and that will make digestion difficult. Thus, teeth are important part of our body. That's why we should take good care of teeth. We have two sets of teeth, but the newborn baby has no teeth, right? You might have seen this. Baby gets her first tooth when she gets about 6 months old. So the first tooth gets when the baby is 6 months old. And by the time she is 2.5 years old, she has 20 teeth. And these teeth are called as milk teeth or temporary teeth. Between the age of 6 and 12, the milk teeth fall out one by one and new ones grow in their place. Thus, milk teeth fall out one by one as you grow old and new teeth come in their place. You might have observed this with your friends or with your elder brothers or sisters. Their milk teeth fall out one by one and new teeth come out. This new set consists of 32 teeth, out of which 16 are in upper jaw and 16 are in lower jaw. These are called as permanent teeth and they remain with you until you grow old. Well, in this permanent set, there are four kinds of teeth. First one is incisors or cutting teeth, which is in the front. Then canines or tearing teeth, which are just beside incisors. Then there are premolars or cracking teeth and molar or grinding teeth. So these are the four kinds of teeth. Now out of this four kind of teeth, today we are going to see only first two kinds, which is incisors or cutting teeth and second is canines or tearing teeth. So let us see the first kind, which is incisors or cutting teeth. So incisors are in the front, exactly in the front. There are four incisors. The four chisel shaped teeth at the front of each jaw are called incisors. So over here you will see incisor. It is not a complete picture, but you can see some part. We use them to bite our food. So what is the purpose of incisors? It is used to bite our food. Let us see second kind. The second kind is canine or tearing teeth. These are just beside incisors. On either side of cutting teeth is a sharp tooth and these are called canine, which we use to tear pieces of food. So what is the purpose of canine? It is used to tear pieces of food. So that was all for today. Now that you know few things about teeth, there are few things which you can try it out at home. So first is solving fill in the blanks. Incisors are also called dash. So you have to fill in the blank. The other name for milk teeth is. So these are the two fill in the blanks. First one is incisors are also called dash, and second is other name for milk teeth is dash. Let us see next question. Name the kind of teeth. So you have to mention the kind of teeth we have. Third question is what are canines used for? What is the use of canine, which I have already discussed. And last question is what is function of incisors. So that was today's assignment. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask. You can put your comments in the comment box. You can ask your questions over there. So see you in next session. Until then, take care. Bye bye.